Hey, Matt here, and welcome to another Mob Street video. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to make the bike more comfortable for you. So, let's show you. I just installed the Tusk handlebar risers on our 2019 TW200. My wife really likes riding this one more than the 2021, and with the 2021 I had the handlebar risers on there. She liked the way they felt, so we bought another set so that we can put them on here. I'm going to have her sit on the bike and I'm going to show you just the few little things that you can do to the handlebars to make it more comfortable for you. The best way to do this is to have whoever's going to be riding the bike on the bike so that they can have the controls where they want them. We're basically just going to get it set up for her. So the very first thing that we're going to do is adjust the bars to where she thinks they feel good. So I've left them a little bit loose, so go ahead and grab the bars and then just move it to where, can you move them? You can. All right, right about there?
Yeah, I think so.
That's comfortable? Okay, we're going to go ahead and snug those 4 clamp bolts down. That'll keep them in place for us while we make the other adjustments. There we go. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is adjust the levers. You know, if you're going to be sitting more, you'll probably want the levers up a little bit. If you're going to be standing up, you might want them, you know, a little bit lower. So make sure you get it set up so that it's comfortable for them. So hands on the grips, and then just, you can play around with them. So the brake lever is just a 10 millimeter or 2 10 millimeter bolts. Now the clutch lever, number 2 Phillips, so we'll get that one. It should be loose, so go ahead and...
I'd say right there.
Right there's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Tighten those back down.
Yeah.
That all feel good?
Yep.
Okay, what about the start switch? The switches are the last things to worry about. Easy to reach with the thumb?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
The other side?
Yep.
Okay, there we go. That's how quick and simple it is to adjust everything on the handlebars to make it the most comfortable for whoever's riding it. Next thing we'll do is we'll have her go out and ride it, see how they feel. If we're good, then we're good. If there's a few things that she'll want to change up a little bit, it's easy just to come back and, I mean, you saw how fast it was to do that. It'd be just as fast to make the few fine tuning adjustments on there and you're good to go. There you go. Those few little adjustments are going to make a huge difference in the comfort, the handling, and the ergonomics of your TW200. And the great thing is they are specifically tailored to you. So if you've just bought a brand new TW, or if you have just bought a used TW and it's new to you, or if there's something on the bars that just doesn't feel quite right or it's lacking a little bit of something, try those few adjustments and see what it does. I've done it on both of these now. I absolutely love the difference that it's made, and it has been worth it. Now, I need to say thanks to my wife for coming out and helping me make this video. She does not like being in them, so definitely a huge thank you to her for helping me make this. And if there's any questions or comments, make sure to put those down below. Or if you want to pick up a set of these Tusk handlebar risers, the link will be in the description. They're less than 25 bucks. I highly recommend it. I've got them on both of my TWs now, and I absolutely love them. Why I didn't buy it sooner, I don't know. But as always, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. And we're going to leave it at that. I'm Matt. This is our 2019 TW200. This is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.